After a night of crazy party in Club Rich.
Hey, I got it.
Wow, really? You know which customer owns this?
Don't know.
Stone for gold. Hello?
Hi, this is Stone for Gold.
I found a watch with a stone for gold on it.
You found a watch.
I think it's from your customer. We are from Club Rich.
Oh, okay. You can actually scan the watch strap to your phone and the customer contact will pop up.
Oh, thank you.
Hello.
Hi, is this Mr. Kid?
Yes, speaking.
I found your watch at Club Rich.
Oh, really? I lost my watch at Club Rich last night. How did you find it?
Oh, I saw the logo of Stone for Gold and I tapped on it and I got your number.
I'm so glad you found my watch. This watch strap really saved my life. Thank you very much.
You can come down on Club Rich and collect your watch, okay?
Yes, thank you very much for calling.
You're welcome.
If you also afraid of lost your watch, come and get one. Just scan the watch strap and the contact number will come out. Let us know if this watch strap can save your life too.